Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I down, focused on the music. And I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I down.
Alright, so we're back with another vlog and not yet another short on YouTube. But to be very honest, shorts on YouTube are performing insanely well. And I know exactly why they're performing insanely well. It's all about the damn caption. If I put a catchy caption, shorts are literally blowing up. I'm getting 1,000 views, 500 views, 400 views compared to my 2 to 3 average views. Look at the calluses. So, that's the only reason I've been uploading shorts lately, just to see how the entire YouTube game is working out. But here we are with another vlog today. And in this vlog, I just wanted to share the entire MNV journey aspect of it. How is MNV doing? How are the clientele coming in for MNV? And what is it that I'm expecting to happen in the next 2 months? So just yesterday, I saw Gary Vee's post that they're exactly 64 days before the start of the next year. So what are you planning? Well, yeah, I think there are, today is 30th. So if we consider 30, 60, let's say 62 days. We have 62 days remaining until we hit the next year, which is 2022. So what am I planning for MNV in terms of what can we achieve in the next 62 days before we hit the new year? Well, at the moment, starting November, we logged in a new client. So that's some good news. Hopefully there's another client also coming in. According to me, there are 2 clients, but one is confirmed coming in from November 1st and the other one is still pending. But if you ask me, they're going to convert 100%. But in the next 62 days, I'm looking at getting close to 5 clients, not close to 5, exactly 5. That's the number I'm aiming for. Me and Prakash are on the process of making cold calls and having appointments and going for the appointments, then, pitching our services and then follow-up meeting and then closing. So, it's not just a direct close that happens, especially in the marketing industry. I don't know, maybe people do close, but at the moment, we have not found any client, whom we've closed in literally 1 meeting except Daspala. Well, to be very honest, the clients who we can close in 1 meeting are basically that type who've been cheated by the previous service provider where they've done such a shitty job. All you have to do is perform average and the client is going to like it. So, to be honest, the clients that I'm looking at, the big clients I'm looking at, the previous service agency has literally looted them. They've taken the money from them, but have not given them the actual deliverables or just a good brand presence digitally. So, I'm actually aiming for these clients who have a presence and the agency is doing very shitty job of spreading it. Anyways, let's go back to the topic. I have an aim of closing 5 clients. Out of the 5, I personally want to bring in 3 and I'm leaving 2 clients for Prakash. And if there's anybody from my team bringing in a client, more than welcomed. So yeah, in the next 62 days, I aim to close 5 clients and I am expecting MNV to have a monthly recurring business worth of at least 2.5 lakhs at least. It can be higher, but the least that I'm expecting with all these numbers are 2.5 lakhs. So let's see where we are. But yeah, man, I actually wanted to even discuss about all the rejections that we face. To be very honest, me and Prakash have faced way more rejections than you can even imagine. Let's say we make 50 calls. Out of 50 calls, it's probably 5% that convert for appointments, out of which, probably 1% converts into actual clients. So, the struggle is there. It's not really struggle. For me personally, I fucking love every bit of it. Because personally speaking, I love sales. And what's more interesting than growing my own business? It's the most fucking exciting thing I can ever do. And what's more interesting to do that with a good friend of yours and an amazing fucking team. Every single thing about this is so exciting. so exciting that, you know, the struggle aspect of it is just lost. Every time I even look at whatever is bothering me, yeah, I fall into that pattern of, oh fuck, it's getting a little bit off balance, not little bit, quite a lot of off balance, and it's getting to me. But then I realize I'm in the best fucking position. All right, we have Prakash's call coming in, so I'm gonna end this call. Bye bye.